I want everybody to kind of put your arms around each other right now. We're going to do a quick moment of silence for those beautiful people that we lost Sunday night. We're gonna remember all those folks, and we're gonna remember that being here tonight is a step in the right direction for getting us where we want to be. And I want to think about one of my best friends in the world, Mr. Jason Aldean, who's had an unbelievable week. Jake Owen and Chris Young and Adam Craig and Luke Combs and DJ Silver and all those boys and all their crew. Y'all keep them in your thoughts and prayers for them just being a part of something that they could have never imagined. Just think about all those first responders out there running in. First responders, hospital people that were having a normal night. Let's think about let's think about being better, being a better country, being better people. You see somebody that is having trouble up here in their mind, let's get to working on this stuff, y'all. Let's take a quick few seconds. Everybody bow their heads.